Do you belong to any Facebook groups? I would like to bet that you do. Did you know that 1.8 billion, yes, billion people use Facebook groups every month? With the right audience and the right offer, the potential for earning a living is bound only by your imagination. If you want to know how you can leverage Facebook groups in your business, stick around. Hi YouTube, welcome to a new video series I'm doing that will assist even the freshest of beginners at taking their first steps towards financial freedom. Two words that seem to elude many of us, myself included. I am your friendly affiliate Brent, and in today's episode, I will be showing you how you can combine the power of Facebook groups and affiliate marketing to make more sales and generate more revenue for your business no matter what niche you're in. Look, if you've ever heard of affiliate marketing, or maybe you never have, think about this. What if you could make money promoting a product that you didn't create, you didn't build a sales page for, and you didn't even have to handle the shipping or customer service? Your sole job is to promote that product and collect commissions every time you make a sale. Pretty powerful, right? Well, what if I showed you can find a totally free tool about 2 billion people and leverage that totally free traffic to your offers? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. So stick around to the very end because I'm going to show you how this works step by step. But first, I have to welcome those of you who are new and thank those that are returning. My goal is to provide videos that show you how to leverage free tools on the internet to make money online and to give those strategies to you every single week. Now, I'm not promising that this will be easy, nor am I promising that it'll be quick. Heck, I'm not even promising you'll make a certain amount of dollars in any amount of time using this method. Quite honestly, I don't know you or your situation and how much you're willing to put into this, but what I can promise is give you a roadmap that works every week. So if that's the kind of content you're looking for, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you'll be notified every time I release a new strategy. And don't forget to leave a comment with any questions that you might have or suggestions of what I should talk about next. Typically, my videos and the ideas for these videos come from questions that people ask in the first 24 hours after I post up something new. And with that out of the way, let's get into today's video on how you can combine affiliate marketing and Facebook groups for a totally free method of making money online. Okay, so the first step that we're going to be working on is to find an affiliate product to promote. Remember, this strategy, you're not going to be creating your own products or websites or handling any inventory. Instead, you're going to find companies that sell great products that we can partner with that will in turn pay us to promote their products. One of my favorite websites to do this with is a site called Clickbank. Now, the reason I love Clickbank is it has dozens and dozens of products that you can get approved for instantly. And I also love Clickbank because it's free to sign up. And they have tons of different niches and categories and products to choose from, whether it be art or health and fitness or business and marketing, sports and travel. It's important to do things that you're interested in. And so if you have an idea, it's going to be really important to stick around because I'm going to show you how to leverage this feature and how to make money online using Clickbank. But first, let's use it to find a product you want to promote. For example, I want you to pick something that interests you. Don't just try to find whatever is the fastest selling or the highest quality sales. That information is great, and if you're running paid traffic, then that might work. But if you're basing things on organic traffic and content-driven traffic, which is what Facebook groups represents at its core, then you want to at least start with a topic that interests you. And one of the best performing categories on here is making money online and how to start a business. And I really have yet to meet a single person that doesn't want to make more money. So I'd look into this topic. Maybe you're interested in a new language, in health and fitness or yoga. There's even products for gamers, doomsday preppers, as well as cooking. The point is, don't just limit yourself to whatever is really hot at the moment. It's easy to find products that you can see yourself promoting and selling to people you know. The second step of this is we're going to create a Facebook group, not just around the products that we're going to be promoting. But first, why am I even talking about Facebook? Isn't everybody saying Facebook organic reach is dead? And you shouldn't be using Facebook anymore if you want traffic? Well, here's what I've come to realize as I've learned about and done digital marketing. There's no platform, no channel, or method that is dead. As long as there are users on that platform, there are eyeballs that can generate traffic to your offers and business. Anyone who tells you something is dead is probably trying to sell you on their alternative method. And if you're just getting started, like a lot of people on this channel, I know how important it is to get free traffic to your offers. So even if something I shared on here doesn't seem the most exciting or innovative, here's the deal. I'm not interested in doing what everybody else is doing. I want to do what works and for the best possible price. So yes, I still believe that Facebook with over 2 billion users is one of the best places that complete beginners can build their audience for their business. But here's where my strategy comes in. Instead of focusing on your fan page or trying to contact people through Messenger or just posting endlessly on your wall about the products you're promoting, what I recommend in 2021 is to start with your own Facebook group. There are a few reasons for this. Let me share with you very quickly if you need further convincing. Number one, people are searching for groups to join in the way they used to search for fan pages. Number two, Facebook is pushing groups so the posts in the groups come up way more often in your feed than fan pages or even personal posts. But when you have a lot of people in your group, they are posting as well. So it's like it's 10 times the amount of content you produce without having to do the work. Third, group members can invite their friends to join. So I get email notifications from Facebook when someone requests to join my Facebook group. And about 50% of the time, it's also someone inviting their friends to join as well, which means completely free traffic for you. Oh, and the fourth reason, they're totally free to create. You can set one up by the time this video is done. Okay, so maybe I've convinced you that this is a great opportunity, but how do we actually execute it to make sure it's profitable? Well, first, you have to give a name to your group. And the name is very important. You don't want to create something that's too generic or, on the flip side of that, too personal. If I started a group called the Carl Avery Group or the John Smith Group, I might get a bunch of people who know who they are, but that's pretty much it. Or on the flip side, if I make the group called Make Money Online, I'm going to be competing against thousands of other groups with potentially the same name. But if I made the name specific enough and geared towards my niche, like affiliate marketing strategies using free traffic, now when someone reads this, they'll have a much better idea of what they're going to learn if they join. And they're more likely going to join your group over the one with a generic title. This is why it's important to know a bit about your category for this method to work. I would personally not try this method for the gaming or weight loss niche because those are things I don't really know much about and I don't know what's important to the audience or what their struggles are. The second big tip that I found is make sure that you have a pinned post that breaks down exactly what this group is about. Make sure people know they can't post links or promote their own material. And lastly, you want to put a call to action right in that post, whether it's for them to sign up to your email list or directly link them to the product. The reason for this is because the new people who join may begin to get lost in the mix. So you need to establish yourself as the authority in the group and the go-to person for someone to go and take further action to learn more. And the last tip I want to give you is if you're just getting started in your group, you'll need to post a variety of different content right out of the gate until you see what people like to engage with. I've seen some people that are just getting started who go live in the groups like every day, and that's great. Some people love it when users go live, and Facebook lets the group know when that happens. But it's not for everybody, and if you're not getting a ton of engagement in there, mix it up. Maybe start sharing YouTube videos you find valuable. Post blog articles and other newspaper feeds you see, and other tips as well. The goal is to make the group as valuable as possible so people would be encouraged to interact and add others, as well as ultimately join your email list or buy the products you recommend in your pinned post. Well, that's the strategy I have for you today. Do you have a Facebook group? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what type of group you have and the products you promote. I love seeing different niches and categories of people who watch these videos are in. And if you're watching this video, but you're still looking for a perfect product or affiliate program to promote, then I want you to click on the link in the description because I have something way better than just a product for you that you can promote. My favorite course is actually an entire ecosystem of courses, softwares, books, and other products that you can make money from just by promoting one simple product. And this course is called Partner with Anthony, created by my mentor, Anthony Morrison. And it's only $7 per month. I know it sounds crazy, but trust me when I say it's one of the best courses out there for people who, like you, are looking to start an online business. So go ahead and click on my link in the description below for more information. And that's a wrap, YouTube. I want to thank you so much for staying with me till the end. If I provided value in this video, please hit that like button. And if you want to learn more about other online strategies to generate income that work today, check out this video. I've linked in either the card above or in the end screen. This is Brent, your friendly affiliate, telling you to stay straight, stay true, and most importantly, never give up.